Okay, so I hope you enjoyed the last relics show. I was just up there and plan to return very shortly. Gotta go to the store and get a battery. This is the ladder I descended upon to get up there. Here's the roof. And a bulldozer. A very old chair. So old. If no one is watching, I will rescue it. In the meantime, these are like old relics too. I don't know if I'm going to be able to do this, but it's in the name. Don't worry, it's just this metal thing. I'm not breaking anything. I'm trying to save something. Well, it looks like they were trying to save it maybe with this tarp. But there's just too much stuff in the way. And it reveals a chair that is not old. How embarrassing. It's not old. That is really old, man. What's in there? International Harvester. This guy sold it. There's up in Middletown. International tractors, trucks. $2,500 $2,500 International. Yes, it turns. It's loose. It turns. See? A little stiff, but that's the behemoth wheel. Here's its headlamp. With bottles, somehow they didn't get blown from the winds and seem to have been here for years. Maybe there's an expiration date. I wonder how old this thing is. Probably doesn't open. Let's give it a shot. It opened. Really old. cans from like the 60s. It's really old. Starting fluid. And that one's starting fluid too. It's got a metal cap. Can I open this? There's a handle here. And it opens like that. There's the handle. And then there's new starting fluid in there, like someone tried starting it. Starting fluid. Look at the cap. It's made of metal. Is there a zip code? Yeah, so it's after 61, but it's probably early 60s, mid 60s. Put that in lemon juice and water. What year it was built. There's another way out. We could open this one too. Yep. There's the ceiling. Yeah, this thing probably could be restored. It's probably about 1950s. Gas cap of some sort. This was maybe where the license plate would have went. Probably it was a tractor plate or something and somebody stole it. There's a shifter here. Pedals. Doesn't even move. There's a thing here too. I don't know if you could even see that. I hope you do. Alright, let's get out of here. Feels like I'm getting out of. Oh wow, look at this. There is a license plate. No date. Just says New York Speed Commission. It's in bad shape. Leave it like that. Let me get out of here. Because if somebody sees this open, they'll there's nobody around really, except these neighbors next door. Or they actually said they don't care. Because I asked them. And then look at this. Sims. It's like a dinosaur. So look at all the moss on the roof. And then this part here is really important because that's where the relics are that are like from maybe before this house was built. This one. And then there's that shed there. Is that a basketball hoop? Yeah, a really old one. Basketball hoop. Really old basketball hoop. I wonder where this leads. Does it lead to another building? Well, there's another ladder. It's chained up. Oh, shit. I don't know if that's raspberry or poison ivy. Had thorns. Oh, look at that trash can. That's really old. Maybe it was for milk. Heavy duty. What's in it? Avon. A bag. Ah, there's all webs. But look. Inside. Avon calling. And then, you know, like a bag from like about 1960 or something. This ghost window. This ghost window probably opens. Is anyone looking? I'll try it. Nope, it doesn't open. Oh, gosh. Ooh, copper. Copper gutters. Better not say that too loud. There's the gas tank of a very old motorcycle. Who knows, maybe it's an Indian or something. I do see a name. Let me put this back. Maybe you could read it with me. About the best I could do. Maybe it was like a European one. There's more copper right there. A nice piece of copper right there. Some. Oh yeah, then there's this generic shack that I already investigated. I don't know about this one. I know I went into that one. I don't know if I ever went in this one. I don't know. It's really old. It's all that's left of it. The roof fell in. Excuse me. There's the keyhole. Porcelain knob. Hasn't been opened in years. Doesn't want to open either. It's an old road. Goes up that way. Who knows where that leads? I see a house up there. That'll have to be investigated. You should see the relics that are up there. Stuff that was brought there from other houses. Old stuff. Wooden bicycles. Bear traps the size of humans. Some of them with the smiley logos. Now those I know are worth a lot of money. But that doesn't mean that, I would try to contact the owner and go over it with them. Tell them that they're worth a lot. And then see what he says. Sometimes they don't believe you. A dollar bill. I hear walking. It's a time capsule. So much of a time capsule. Electrolux. National Geographic Magazine, 1916. Women's Day, 1938. What's this? A sign? Some kind of a propeller blade. Okay. And there's a grinding wheel. Still works. Really old. What's this? It's called a Master Grand. Oh, there's a date. Let's put it in the light. It's in brand new shape. It's from 1910. So it's probably from like 1920. And look at there, man. It's really old. There's actually a spider eating a bug right now. Look at this box. Libby's milk. You know how rare that is? Libby's milk. From like the 30s or 40s. It's in good shape. There's a couple of them on top of these. A lot of old boxes in here. Let me put this back in, because whoever owns it might want to keep it, along with these Women's Day books. And this book, Family Circle, 7 cents. Hey! What was that you said about CRT? We'll look at one last magazine. Oh wow, look at this one, Journal. Journal magazine. Never heard. 1949. Journal magazine. Here's another one from the 60s. Wow. Companion. All kinds. Magazines I've never heard of. Anyway, I am so hot and exhausted. Let me put this rock back. Holds the door in place. What else? I guess that's about it, man. See you in the next video. Another time capsule house. Another relics show.